Hey there, English learners. Welcome to English with Learner. I'm Stami, and today we are driving into the world of English greetings. Ready to say hello like pro? Let's get started. Alright, let's quick think of with some everyday greetings. I'll say each one and you repeat after me. Ready? 1. Hello. Hello. Simple and classic. Use it anytime. Use it anytime. 2. Hi. Hi. Repeat. Hi. Hi. Hi is more casual but perfect for friends. 3. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. It's used from wake up time to noon. It's used for wake up time to noon. And 4, we have good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. From noon to about 5 p.m. 5 p.m. Yes, 5. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. From 5 p.m. until bedtime. 5 p.m. until bedtime. Great jobs. You have just learned 5 ways to greet people in English. Let's practice them once more. Now, let's learn how to respond. It's easy. Just mirror what you hear. If someone says hello or hi, you say, that's right, hello or hi back. Hello or hi back. For good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, just repeat what you heard. Let's practice. I'll greet you and you respond. Ready? Hello. Hello. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Hi there. Hi there. Awesome work, everyone. Awesome. That's just awesome work, everyone. That's time to level up. Let's learn how to start a conversation after greeting someone. After saying hello, you can ask, how are you? How are you? Hello, how are you? That's simple. And a common response is, I'm fine, thank you. And you? I'm fine, thank you. And you? Let's put it all together. Repeat after me. Hello. Hello, how are you? B. Hi, I'm fine, thank you. And you? I'm good, thanks. Now, let's practice this conversation. I'll be person A and you'll be person B. Ready? Go. Alright, it's quiz time. Let's see how much you've learned. I'll ask question and you'll have a few seconds to answer. Ready? What grading do we use in the morning? The answer is good morning. If someone says hi, what is a good response. You can simply say hi. What time of day would you say good afternoon? From noon to about 5 p.m. After greeting someone, what question can you ask to start a conversation? You can ask, "How are you?" If someone asks, "How are you?" what's a common response? You can say, "I'm fine, thank you. And you?" Great job, everyone. How many did you get right? Wow, you have learned so much today. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are just stepping stones to fluency. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep smiling. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more English lessons. See you next time on English with Learner.